Hey YouTube, on today's episode of Garage Boys, I'm going to show you how to fix the AC on a Ford vehicle. Now we're working on a Ford Mustang, but it's all the same. I'm going to show you how to replace a resistor, which controls your AC blower level. So you have usually 4 levels, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And in this case, it's only working in level 4. The issue is your blower resistor. I'm going to show you the location and how to replace it. Very easy. You can buy the part on Amazon. I'm going to put the link in the description down below if you want to buy it, or you can buy it on AutoZone. I think it's like $20, but it's cheaper on Amazon. But let me show you the location and let me show you my issue. Here we go. Okay guys, so as I mentioned before, let me show you. Let me turn on my car. So my AC right now, it's supposed to be on, but it's not blowing at all. Level 2 doesn't work either. Level 3 doesn't work. It doesn't kick in until level 4, where you can really not feel the blower and get the air. You can really hear it, but everything else is an off. Okay, so I'm gonna turn off the vehicle. I just wanted to show you that. This is the part that I'm gonna be replacing. It's the AC resistor. It's very easy to find and to replace. I'm gonna put all the information in the part number and below in the description, and also the part number is gonna be right here. But you can buy it on Amazon. I bought it at AutoZone, but you can get it at Amazon really easy. This is the setup before I get down there. You're gonna need an 8mm socket. I'm using an extension, and here's my ratchet. And then we're gonna come down here, right below the glove compartment. And as you can come in here, here it is. That's it. That's our part. That's our part. It has one bolt right there. Like I said, it's a size 8. And then let me move the cables, and then there's the other one right there. Okay, to unplug this cable, which is what you're gonna do first, just press this button right here and pull back. It's one of those press and pull. There we go, comes right out, and then there it is. So you're gonna remove that. Let me get my tools. I'm not gonna bore you with how I turn, but basically here's my setup. And I'm gonna remove this and place my new one, and then show you how it's gonna work. So give me 1 second. All right guys, so I just replaced the part. Let me turn on the car. All right. Oh yeah, I can feel it right away. Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3. You can hear it right there. And 4. There you go. Let me show you my old part. It's this. You see how rusted it is? I guess the moisture and whatever just makes it like this over time. Very common problem with the Ford, so it may not just be your Ford Mustang, but other vehicles, Ford Focus, Expedition, Explorer, all that stuff. This is your issue whenever you have this problem. Make sure you tell your friends. Make sure you like this video if it helped you, which I'm sure it did. It saved you money and time. A very easy fix, quick. So like this video, subscribe definitely to the channel, and that's it. This doesn't really plug into anything. Once you remove those 2 bolts, it just falls off, and it's kind of like open, and it's just hold in place. It doesn't really like click in, because this may look like a clip or like a plug or something, but it doesn't. It just stays there. So that's it guys. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe, and thank you guys for watching. Give us a like and share us. Thank you.